Aaron Hager, Chief Everything Officer and founder at HeydayFootwear.com. And today we're going to take a quick look at possibly the most insane Black Anacondas that we've ever made. This is the heavy embossed Black Anaconda Super Shift with contrasting red laces and new red super strap. It sits on our completely flat, zero drop, incompressible cup sole, which is stitched onto the upper all the way around so it'll never delaminate. It's got a mix of herringbone and other treads on the bottom, and you put the two soles together, it creates the Heyday logo. You've got your flex grooves in the forefoot. The upper is absolutely out of this world, insane, embossed premium, ultra premium leather. The midfoot strap, the eye stay, the back lace pull here, or finger pull, are all aniline leather. Very high quality. This really would be a much, much more expensive shoe if we were selling it in stores, but because we sell direct to you, it's at a very reasonable price. You've got your adjustable midfoot Velcro strap to lock down your foot during any strength movements. The tongue snaps onto the collar for a custom fit. It comes with both black flat laces as well as red laces with the removable red strap, which goes on right through the finger pull in the back. You can see it here in black and red. Comes with both laces. This shoe is absolutely stunning. You will break necks in the gym, out of the gym, date night, leg day, doesn't matter where you are. These are absolutely stunning. Available for a very, very limited time in limited quantities. It's not hype, it's Heyday.